set up a WeChat WhatsApp app for your Shopify stores. Thank you so much for installing our app. Let's get started. As you can see, the WhatsApp chat button is disabled by default because it needs a phone number to configure with it. So let's go ahead and add that phone number. Some of the details have already been pre-populated, like the agent name from the store owner's name, and you just need to select your country code and add your WhatsApp phone number, and you can customize some settings like your avatar image, or you can even upload your own avatar inside the Shopify admin and paste the URL here. And you can even set online hours for your chat agent, which mean can you set a time for your agent to be available for your customers at a specific time, which will be displayed. Also, you can set the same time for rest of the day's note. You have to set the time in 24 hours format, and timing is based on your current time zone as shown here. Let's save it. Now you can enable the chat button on your store. If I go to the store own, I should be able to see the chat button on the store. This is the demo store. Here you can see the chat button displayed. When someone will click on the chat button, it will redirect to the WhatsApp app on the agent's number. Here you can set online hours for individual agents if each of your agents work in shifts, but if all your agents are available at some time, you can set online hours in one shot for the entire store from here. It applies online hours to all your agents. We recommend to use one of them, whichever you need. Now let's change the design of the chat button. Here are two options: customizable and pre-configured button designs. Suppose your store theme is dark color, then you can select pre-configured button designs accordingly, or you can select a customizable design button. So let's select a customizable design. Now we can change the color from here, or you can even add hex code of the color. You can select gradients of color of the button like this. Save the configuration, and now you can see the new customized design chat for you store. Let's customize the Add More button text. It says chat with us, we'll change it to talk to us. Message body is a pre-filled message template that gets filled when your customers clicks on the chat button, and when they reach out to you on WhatsApp, this text will already be populated for them to send it to you easily. Here you can also include the page URL, this URL on whichever page they were on when they clicked on the button. This makes it very easily for your store visitor to send a message to you. It also makes it easily for you to understand where your customer's coming from. Next is callout card. Callout card is to draw notice to your store visitors on chat button. It looks like this. It's a small card that shows up on top of the chat button. It only shows to unique visitors once every 24 hours. Now, let's change the greeting widget : if you have multiple support agents, the greeting widgets help you show all those support agents in the same place. Let's change the greeting widget design. There are 3 types of designs, and 2 options: customizable and pre-configured designs are available. Let's customize our own widget. Can you select the background color 1 and background color 2, heading color and description text color? Now we'll save it. Now you can see the beautiful greeting widget especially customized for your store. You can also change the text right on the widget. Hi there can be changed to hello. Now you can customize where do you want to display the chat button exactly on your storefront, so you can set whether to display on mobile plus desktop, or only on mobile, or only on desktop. You can set display on left or right on mobile and desktop. Can you change the height of the chat button and also edge distance of the chat button? You can even set a custom chat button height for just product pages. Why we have built this feature: many of you use sticky add to cart button on your product pages, and if you change the height here, it will change the height of chat button on every page. But now using this feature, you can set a custom height for your product pages, so that chat button shows up above your add to cart sticky button. But for all the other pages, chat button will be set above here. Here you can decide on which page's chat button to show and not to show. So let's try the cart page. I don't want to show chat button here. We also have some additional features inside advanced setting that you can set with the chat button. You can send an event to your Google Analytics. Whenever somebody clicks on the chat button, you can send an event to your Google Analytics. You even see the analytics for your chat button over here. How many visitors click the chat button?